Today I want to show you how easy you can make a nice garlic sauce. Nothing complicated, it can be done in less than 2 minutes. This recipe is very versatile because you can use it as a dressing in salads. You can use it with grilled meats if you want to. It's got that Mediterranean flavor that goes well even if you want to dip some chips in there. And without further ado, let's get into it. So first I want to remove the core of the garlic. And the reason why I'm doing this, and it's not necessarily something that you definitely should do, but in my opinion, you know, removing this, it will get a softer flavor of garlic because this is kind of like peppery. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, but I would suggest doing it, especially when you're using raw garlic and you don't cook it at all, because in this situation, we're not gonna cook the garlic. So once you remove that, just get it on the grater. Now I wanna chop the dill and the chives, but what you wanna make sure is you don't get any of the stalks, especially when it comes to dill, because the chives are nothing to worry about from this point of view. Not necessarily as fine as we can, but we still wanna chop them evenly. The chives will bring a nice light onion flavor to this sauce. And if you're not green type of guy, then probably skip them entirely, but bear in mind that you're not gonna get the same results. So all these are going straight in here. Now I wanna add a pinch of dry oregano. If you have fresh oregano, you could use fresh, but in most situations, you're not gonna find it in the shop, or at least not around the corner shop. So I would suggest buy it dry and you can use it in future recipes. So a pinch of dry oregano will bring that Italian or Mediterranean kind of like flavor. So oregano straight in, squeeze in the wedge of lemon. Now we are adding about 5-6 tablespoons of plain yogurt. We're going in with a pinch of salt. Same with the freshly grounded black pepper. Try to use freshly grounded black pepper to get the best results. And a touch of smoked paprika, literally a pinch, no more than that, because you don't want the smokiness of the paprika to overpower the rest of the ingredients. Now mix everything together and my friends, your sauce is ready. This sauce is absolutely perfect. It will stay in the fridge for 2-3 days without any problems. But I would suggest to make it fresh just before you need it, because you can see how easy it is to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you actually enjoyed this video, I'm gonna leave a video of how to make a nice garlic mayo, which you can check it somewhere up here. I'll see you in the next one.